ProGet can be configured as a private Chocolatey repository used to host internalized packages. In this video, we'll show how to set up a feed in ProGet to act as a private Chocolatey repository to host your internalized packages. These are different from privatized packages since they only rely on internal resources such as installer files, so you can install and use your Chocolatey apps in offline and air-gapped environments. First, we'll create a feed exclusively for our approved Chocolatey packages. So let's head to feeds and create a new Chocolatey feed. We're going to choose private internal Chocolatey packages since we're creating a private repository, and from here name our feed. Let's call ours Internalized Chocolatey and create our feed, and here it is. To upload the installer files needed by our internalized packages, we'll need to create an asset directory to host them. An asset directory in ProGet is like a feed, except that it contains asset files instead of package files that you can access through your web browser and the RESTful API. We're going to create our asset directory to host the installer files of our internalized Chocolatey packages. So let's head to Assets. We'll name our new asset directory Chocolatey Assets, then create it, and here's our empty directory. Now that we have our private feed and asset directory set up, we can upload internalized packages and installer files to them. You can use the choco push command to do this, but we'll be using Pagoodle as it allows us to specify different feeds easier. Pagoodle requires some minor setup before use, so we'll add our ProGet instance as a source. Now we can upload our internalized packages using the packages upload command like so, using your API key if you've made one. And you can see that our package has been uploaded to our internalized Chocolatey feed. Also, we can upload our installer files to our ProGet asset directory using the assets upload command like so. And you can see that they're uploaded to our Chocolatey assets feed. Finally, we can add our internalized Chocolatey feed as a source in our client using the choco source add command, and I recommend giving the source the same name as your feed. To make sure that our client only installs our internalized packages, we can remove any default sources already set up using the choco source remove command, and confirm that our client is properly connected to ProGet using the choco source list command, and that's it. It's that easy to set up a private Chocolatey repository for your internalized packages in ProGet.